Here goes the fastest iPhone 5 LCD replacement. Just unscrew the two screws at the bottom. That hold the screen in the frame. Get a blade, lift up the screen. Comes out without breaking it any further. Breaking the flexes. Unscrew these three screws that hold the plate onto the flexes. Lift the plate off. Snap off the connectors for the screen. That comes off. New screen on by putting the flexes onto the connectors. Okay. Plate back on. Screws back onto the template. Last screw. Back into the frame. Screws for the bottom, the phone. One. Two. And stop. Done. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.